go, man. Let me go, man. Let me go, man. What problem? What the problem?
Where you go? No, me just want
Pinky, where you go tell me, say? Where you go tell me, say? Where you can't tell me, say? Talk to me about what? After all of this, look what me do for you. And that's the thanks me get. You have good man, don't know for deal with good man, you know.
Come here now.
Just leave me now, man. Leave me now. Just leave me, man. I don't know for deal with good man. All my years I've been a good man. Let me go, man. Just let me go now. Talk to me about what? What is there to talk about?
Feel me sorry for what me do. I don't know why you go. Just please stay with me.
You sorry never burn me up. What that you mean for say? All my years I've been a good man. Me work 24/7. Me don't know way me not give to you. And these are the thanks. These are the thanks. The latest you get. All the gadgets, everything I have me pour out to you. What else you could ask her?
Me don't even know what happened, B. Honestly, me don't even know what happened. Maybe me head name on my body. B, me don't want you go. Just please stay with me.
No. Everybody. You use condom? Answer me! I deserve an answer.
Yes. Me use condom.
If somebody tell me so this is happen, me not tell them some my mother must be a man. These are the thanks. What we do for deserve this? Oh man, you're wicked, so. Look man it. My underpants. My shirt. My cologne. My food. Pinky and me work and buy them here. Pinky, you don't work. All you do is sit down a yard. That's the luxury of where other woman don't have.
B, even if you're not stay, me just a beg forgiveness. Please.
Pinky, just
Everybody
just
make
leave
mistake and nobody
just leave me
perfect.
out. Just leave me out. This
Please,
mistake is the worst
perfect.
mistake. You could have done me anything but cheat from me, Pinky. Pinky, what me do for deserve this? Pinky, of all the things you think of, no,
Please,
of all the things you think of, man.
I can't do it.
Come in. Wagwan people, big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. And remember Pinky, not you? From the hot movie that we are on Niggerland now. Friend in need. Wagwan with you? Wagwan. First thing me ask you, you must find one man by now, because that's a few argument right true. So not even bother cuss. So find one man now. Pinky, you have to find one man how you look at it. You never look so in the last video. You have a man, you know. Alright people, so Pinky is taken. You can't look at her. So, movie. What going for movie them?
I don't know.
Means I don't understand what you're saying. No, we're not saying no more movie or what? What going?
I don't know.
Alright, so you can come do a movie with me then.
Yes.
Alright people, I know I did mention it 100 million times before. I have one movie channel, link with it in the description. Go and go subscribe, we work on it. So, Pinky, what have you been up to? Where you do long time we not see you? What happened?
I'm working.
Which part you working now?
West End.
Can I work here?
Bar work.
Oh, Zine. Wait, which one I bar them? Can pass through and come support the thing and drop one tip.
In front of our course.
Me not like how you're so normal, you're full of vibes and things. What happened? So, Mr. Boyd Grant.
Blessings.
What go on? May I get opportunity first and foremost to introduce yourself because I not even know if I do justice, you know. So tell the people who you be. Them know you're a friend in need, but yeah.
Alright, so Boyd Grant has been an actor since 2006 when I first came out in Better Must Come. I played the role of Capo in Better Must Come. Then I did Europe said I'm a gangster and girl around the made music video. Then to Scoundrel. Then to Top Boy for Drake. You know, several top movies. We have Choices. We have that big show. Yeah, soon tell your name. So we have several movies now. Currently, we're working on.
Hold on there. So, me with clueless as to them accolades there. Me never know, which makes me more excited to get this done. So, bossy,
Yeah, man.
all them something to talk about, I did
so,
clueless.
Top Boy for Drake, which you know is a serious movie for the big rapper. Yeah, Drake. Yeah, man, we done only part of big shows, man. So
hold on there. Question. Just for the people that are doubtful. We have video evidence of this, not
yeah,
you?
man, a movie, though.
So, no,
yeah,
we have to go
right,
show
man.
them. Definitely I gotta find some of them
Yeah,
clips
man.
and show them. So, let me realize the boss one out. Me blur
Yeah,
it
man,
now.
and me push the wheelbarrow in a Better Must Come, man. I look at you out the wheelbarrow. Better Must Come was my first movie, man. And yeah, give me international fame.
Alright, so not to move too much off because a whole heap of things that in a boy. A whole heap of things that. So I'm not even gonna try to take them, man. I'm gonna allow you to talk about them, but before we talk about them, I want to talk a little bit about friend in need and experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Friend in Need, good show. Really love it. We do part 1, part 2, part 3. I work on part 4. I tell you, say, when I touch in the street, people see me. The other day, I up on my work and a little girl run over. First, she called her brother and she pine for me and me there watch them, 2 little kids. And then they run over and them say, sir, now you me see in a Richard Brown film. So I say, yes, hear them now. So then kidnap you, so you there. So but I explained to them, I said, no, but it's just a movie, you know. So it being that it's a movie, it's just account something that not real. Yeah, they not take me away for real. So, you know, and the excitement, out the road, everywhere we go, people are blew up. Them want a Friend in Need. Friend in Need are like the bomb. Everybody talk about show everywhere. Me get calls regularly. People see me regularly and ask me. And even a messenger and so people recognize me and I say, yo, you know, the problem with me have though.
Why problem now?
Many people might recognize me from Friend in Need, many people might recognize me from Choices, but them can't pick up say the same person from Better Must Come, or the same person from Top Boy, or the same person from Raise the Dead, The Return of the Jelly Man, the whole heap boy of the show. So people might say, I see another movie there, you know?
Yo, a big star there, so we do it. You know, I not even want to forget, you know. I'm going to make you do it. Because I know you have a YouTube channel. I go over there, I watch some of the video of them. But I want you introduce the thing, tell them what I forgot, tell them. As a matter of fact, take it floor, Mr. Grant.
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel named Boyd Grant. That's the name. My correct name, Boyd Grant.
Spell it
B-O-Y-D.
Grant.
G-R-A-N-T.
Alright, good.
When I mostly upon it a motivational speech, I put a few of the movies upon it, but I just fall in love with the motivational thing. And I say, it'll work. Well, not in terms of the many views, but you know, you touch one person. Once you can make a difference in the heart of one person, you have done it. So, me just, even today, Richard, them tackle me and say, oh, do something different. But me I said to them, say, no, man, it's not really about the money only. Because if you notice, me not monetize, but me still a push on because what I believe is that people need to be motivated. People need to, you know, too much persons living with low self-esteem, and that's one of the reasons me love acting, you know. Because just when me feel depressed, me just throw it in a acting, and that's why I try to be real and I shows them. Me not like do no and it foolish. And me and the director them I go kick off if it's foolish. Because if you tell us to do this and
And I like telling the people, so them forward down here, yeah man, I move up rich the same time, I move up. Everybody have to just start get working when this man are there. No lie about it. So anything else I want to tell people, Mr. Grant?
Alright, just that to where you say.
Hold on, come through, my general. I know what's we big up all the bike man them to give peace and video, you mean? So Mr. Grant,
Yeah, man.
close the show for we now.
Yeah, before we close it, we just add to what you say. Richard, them know. Once we left from St. Thomas, come and Negril for shoot movie, and that for show you how much we love it because the money now make. And the money we come here for. Because we want the money, but we realize the money not dead yet. But we just love it. And because we love this, we put it all in it. So when me come, me no want come sit down and wait for nobody. Everybody need to get up and me tell them, yo, I work right through the night. And them say, yo, you crazy? I say, yes, man, me I left work and come here, I'm willing for work right through the night. And if you call me and you want help for do a show, and you don't have the cash, once me say I try. Me I go help you. Because I'm a passion. But if you have the cash and I want to pay me now, there's something you go have a problem. me not want you to take the video.
And me not say me know more than Uno, say I show him a talk. But me would have only said that because me know that there's some information. But him not go, no, where me not think him can disclose them the information But with that information, I can tell us, yo, everything we must say, him not have to do it, none at all. You understand me? And also me know, say, we genuinely passionate about what we must say. All of this fresh and new to me, you know. I swear to you, know. All that fresh and new to me. One thing when me you want to know, for definitely do more than anything, you know. I'll do him say, yo, what the passion and thing. You want to go over there, subscribe to the channel, and get the boss monetized. 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers. Make good do it, man. So, Granty, are you for close the show still, you know?
Man, blessings. And even when I come here yesterday, how when I come here? Yeah, when I come here yesterday, you know when I stop? I stop by Prolong HD. And I know say Prolong is a man we are try, and Prolong don't have it. And I say, yo, Prolong, me I come give you a strength. And him say, yo, do me a beg you. I say, yeah, man, no worry. I say, anytime I come back on the grill, me I come give you a strength. So when me dep on I say, Richard, are you ready? Them say, no, we are edit. I say, all right, me so reach, you know. I'm going to go by Prolong, go give him a strength. That's me. So once you want the strength, if you don't have the cash, me I go help you. But you say, if you have the cash, pay me my money because we work hard for it. Bless up, people. Go over to the channel because people need to be motivated. Love you, my peeps. God bless you.
Mad.